Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 5 of Gazabellz and I have dog number 2 today for my intro. It looks like he's fallen asleep. So right now it's about 2 o'clock and it's pretty gloomy outside. It's cloudy, but it's pretty bright outside too. Can't really see the sun, but it's pretty dark in the house. That's why I have my lights on right now. So in a little while, we are about to have a family Zoom gathering with my Auntie Sally and my Auntie Kathy to celebrate their birthdays and just to like catch up and talk to them. So my Auntie Sally had, did you make the cupcakes or did you buy them?
Oh, we bought the cupcakes. It's not the cupcakes I intended to buy had you been here. I was going to get this really nice mini cake with matching cupcakes and then do the pictures on the cakes. Because, you know, it's not just my birthday. We're celebrating your dad and Auntie Kathy, too.
So right now I am about to use this fabric razor thing to get rid of all of these like little fuzzy lint balls off of my clothes. Like, this is so annoying. So I have been using this and I got this off of Amazon and it works really nicely. I will say that you do have to be careful when using this because if your fabric bends, then it can like cut a hole into your shirt or your clothing item basically. It happened to me. So I'm warning you guys, but this works out really nicely. So right now I'm about to go through my closet and my drawers. I'm going to take all my workwear pieces out, the workwear that I just strictly wear for work, that I wouldn't wear for like an everyday outfit, because there are some of my workwear pieces that I will actually wear for every day, but some of them I will just strictly just wear for work. So I'm going to take that out of my closet and out of my drawers, and I'm going to put it in my armoire over there to make more room in my closet and my drawers. I'm also going to take the sweaters and knitwear and I'm going to put it in the drawers, because technically you're not supposed to put them on hangers because it can have the fabric stretch. And I also have been collecting a lot of long sleeve shirts, so I might as well just hang them up in my closet. So yeah, let's do that. So here are my piles. So this is all of my sweaters, knit sweaters, regular sweaters. It's actually a pretty thick pile. So, and then I have my workwear right here. These are the only clothing items that I would strictly just wear to work and not wear for like everyday outfits or anything like that. I'll just wear this for work. So I finished rearranging my clothes, and I think what I'm going to do probably later on this month is probably go through, like actually go through my clothes and see what more I want to get rid of. But I thought that it'll be a nice activity for me to decorate my phone cases. So this is my phone case that I have. It has a bunch of Shibas and it's like in the fall setting. That's why I got it. So one thing that you don't know about me is that I like to collect cute stickers. So I have quite a lot, and that's what I'm going to use to decorate my phone case. So I have some Sumiko stickers. I have like food stickers, strawberry stickers. I was thinking about using the nail stickers for this phone case, maybe. Okay, so I finished putting on the stickers on my phone case. So this is what the first one looks like. I will say that this came out way better than I expected. I really like this a lot because it has like the gold and the silver. I will say that some of the nail stickers on here is a little bit bent at the edges just because I tried to pick up the sticker with my tweezers, and it was pretty difficult to kind of get them off the sticker sheet. And this is what the other one looks like. This one's super cute too, and what I like about this phone case is that the edges are more bulky, so if you were to drop it on the edge, then you'll be good. So I thought a good way to end the vlog is by doing the holiday tag. Woo. So I kind of wanted to do the holiday tag just because the questions look very interesting, and it's also nice because nobody really does tags anymore unless it's like the facts about me tag. That's about it. So when I was researching Vlogmas ideas, I came across the holiday tag and I found some questions from this blog post called contentcareer.com. Also, if you guys hear like a loud noise in the background, that's my heater. So the first question is, what's your favorite holiday movie? And I don't know. I honestly recently, this year, just started watching holiday movies. I've been watching a lot of the Hallmark holiday movies, which is pretty cringy, but that's why I like it, because it's so cringy. I'll probably have to say the recent holiday movie that I watched is probably Holiday. That was a pretty funny movie on Netflix. Second question, what's your favorite Christmas color? I'll definitely say red because I have my nails painted red for Christmas. Do you like to stay in your PJs or dress up for Christmas? I stay in my PJs for Christmas. Always have, always will. And it's actually pretty funny. A couple of years ago, I convinced my mom to convince my family, aka my brother and my father, to do Christmas pajamas. And our first set of Christmas pajamas kind of interesting, I would say. So I wanted to get new Christmas pajamas this year, but we're going to do something a little bit different, and yeah, that's going to be in a future vlog. Maybe not, who knows. So yes, if you could only buy one person a present this year, who would it be? Me? I'm serious. Do you open your presents on Christmas Eve or Christmas morning? Christmas morning. We never really been the type of family to open Christmas presents on Christmas Eve. I can totally understand for people who open their Christmas presents Christmas Eve just because the excitement and all. Have you ever built a gingerbread house? I have, and I hate it so much. All the years that I've done Vlogmas, I've always tried to do a gingerbread house, and let me tell you this, I absolutely hate it so much because first and foremost, the gingerbread like doesn't even taste that good. Nothing in that kit tastes good. So this year I didn't want to honestly do gingerbread houses, but Jamie wants to do it, so I ordered some. Next question. Any Christmas wishes? Yes. I wish this virus will go away. I wish people would just take this virus more serious and stay at home. I wish people would just be fully healthy and be living their best life. I wish small businesses will still be doing good and prosper. I wish everybody would be wearing their masks. Come on. Favorite Christmas smells? My favorite Christmas smell is definitely like the scent of like a real Christmas tree. It's been years since we had like an actual real Christmas tree, and I just absolutely miss the smell of a fresh Christmas tree. Favorite Christmas meal or treat? I would say Christmas treat would be anything that has peppermint in it, like the peppermint Hershey Kisses or even the peppermint popcorn. It's like white chocolate with peppermint and popcorn. So good. What are you doing for the holidays this year? Staying inside at home. You should do the same. What's your favorite holiday drink? I like me a spiked hot chocolate. Like Smirnoff makes this peppermint vodka. I don't know if they did it this year because I didn't see it at my local grocery store, but I would take that, then take a packet of hot chocolate. I think we have the Swiss hot chocolate. So take that, add some water, hot water, add the packet, then you'll add the peppermint vodka, mix it all together. So good. What's your favorite holiday / Christmas song? I would have to say Ariana Grande's Christmas and Chill EP. Every single year around this time I play that non-stop. What is most important to you about the holidays? The most important thing about the holidays is just to spend time with the people that I love. Favorite winter lip product? I would have to say the Laneige lip balm. Love it so much. Most worn winter clothing piece? I would probably have to say that Yes Style sweater that I got, or cardigan that I got. I've been wearing that so much just because it's just so big, it's so cozy, it keeps me warm, it matches with majority of my clothing pieces, like tops, bottoms, everything that I have. Most worn winter accessory. I actually don't really wear a lot of accessories. I just started recently incorporating more accessories into my fashion forte. Okay. I don't know. I don't really have any winter accessories. Do I have any? Deuce, do I have any winter accessories?
Shut the fuck up.
Oh, okay. So that is it for this vlog. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Paalam!